Morning, people. Well, I just took a bath, got freshened up, and it's already 11:30 or something. So we might be one of our. I might meet one of my other friends also. He called me today, and I don't know how today's going to be planned. There's actually a change of plan with Akhil. So he has other set of friends. Maybe he's got some 15 other friends who study in Manipal. So I thought, let me go and meet them, right? It's nice to meet new people. So that's what I'll be doing also. I'm editing, man. I slept late last night. I was editing a lot of things. And see, what we're doing is this guy, Ajay, Akhil's friends, they have some practical exams or something. So what I've planned is I'll go back to Mangalore. I'll go to Mangalore with Siddhant today. Drop Ravardhan, come back, and later on see what to do. Yeah, ಅದೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದಿರೋದು ಕೊಡಿ ಪೇಪರ್ ಗಂಜಿ ಇರೋದು ಹಾಂ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ನೀರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರೋದು ಬೇಕು ರೆಡಿ ಸೋ ಹಾಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸೋ ಹಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಇದು ಬೇಡ ಐ ಸೆಡ್ ನೋ ಟು ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೆಂಡರ್ ಕೋಕೋನಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ರವಿ ಅಂತ ಸೊ he asked me if I'm from Manipal, so I told him it's the first time I'm coming to Manipal. See, again you're meeting a lot of people. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಸರ್
ನಾನು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ ಡೀಲರ್.
Second-hand car dealer. In anyone wants second-hand cars in Manipal, please contact Ravi. Sir, ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
8494842326.
And we're going to have breakfast right now. Where are we going to have breakfast, man?
It's called I forgot the restaurant's name.
What's the restaurant's name? Anyway, fine. We've ordered Szechuan masala dosa. There's cheese.
I thought.
This had our breakfast here at this place. So it was good here. It's actually cheap, okay? Sir, it's bill agida hai, sir. Thank you. Guys, look what I've picked up. I've picked up a ginger ale as well as Hershey's. Friends, so we are leaving in Mangalore now. I just picked this up. And Manchur on the way. Adios, bye. Yo, we're at this machli place in Mangalore. So apparently it's the best place. You get to eat seafood. It's been there since a while. I've been here I've been here before. So there's a lot of rush actually. There are a lot of people here. There are a lot of people standing, waiting in queue. So that's how good it is. Okay, it's the place. Sir, waiting ಇದೆಯಾ ನಾವು ಮೂರು ಜನ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮೂರು ಜನ ಕಮ್ ಸೆಟ್ you can see how many people are actually here. There are a lot of people here eating. Still get back once the food comes. It's very humid here in Mangalore. So it's actually the same, like, you know how we spoke about yesterday, where the temperature is actually peak at the stage. It's actually in the peak, and later on maybe 1, 2, 3 o'clock it goes down. This is squid, this is the prawn ghee roast and boiled rice, also curd rice. So this is what I'm having. This is how I wanted it yesterday. All these are not deep fried. Look at the squid. The squid is not deep fried. This is the best way you have squid, okay? So with that and boiled rice is the best combination. Just finished, man. Just finished up with this place. Excuse me. You would have heard a lot about this place actually. You know the best part about seafood is that you need to have good quality. Now we've planned to leave to Malpe Beach. So there's some boating and there's an island there maybe. So that's what we've heard, okay? So I just called up one of my friends. So I'll be going there, we'll be going boating and later return to Manipal. Come to this place called Natural ice creams you get. See what you get inside. Oh, come. Sir, ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ? You have lychee, tender coconut. ಎಲ್ಲ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಇದು? Yes sir. Okay. ಯಾವ್ದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ? What do you suggest?
ನಮ್ಮೊಂದು ಟೆಂಡರ್ ಕೋಕೋನಟ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ಬೋದಾ?
Tender coconut. On scoop ಕೊಡಿ. Just give me a trial. I got ice cream from this place it's actually called Mango Berries. I got anjeer and honey. Guys, we actually left now. We're leaving Mangalore. Ravardhan's brother, Karthikeya, he's leaving in Miami next month, right? Yeah, that's why we had a small send off, man. It took a lot of time, so right now we're leaving Malpe.
You think I'm with another bitch? You think I might have tricking off out here doing such shit? You been sitting up in the mansion somewhere in the hills, bitch.
This is the best part of the weather, man. See, it was so peak. It's okay, put it on. It was so peak in the afternoon. It was really humid, but it doesn't feel that burning, you know. See, it's very much like the sun burns your skin. Here, I'm literally exposing myself to sun, and you don't get tanned. So the humidity, it's because of the humidity, but it's fine. Right now, it's just getting cool. So nice. That's my boy.